And are we ready? We're ready. You guys saw the thumbnail already, so you guys know what we're doing today on Free Friday. We're giving away some EXO merch. All of these. Yeah. So let's begin. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of merchandise from EXO to give away. First off, thank you SM Global for giving me all these merchandise. I will go ahead and tell you guys how to win it. But if you guys saw the BTS Starbucks giveaway, you guys already know. But yeah, that's still going, so get on that. And the shampoo giveaway is still going, so get on that as well. Okay, so today's extra giveaway, there are 3 ways to win it. One, obvious one, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Simple, right? And the second way to win is I do have a Instagram as well, which is, and I'm going to have a Instagram post about this giveaway. Go ahead and follow me and tag your friend. Also simple, right? And the third way to win is I also have a Twitter account, which is, go ahead and click follow on that, and I'm going to have a tweet about this giveaway as well. So retweet, and that's it. Those are the 3 ways that you can win all this. And now, let's get to the unboxing. So, before we unbox, let's just go over it really quickly. 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. 2. Follow my Instagram and tag your friend on the post. You can do this multiple times. 3. Follow my Twitter and retweet the tweet. Sanitizer. Are you guys being safe? Please be safe. I know I'm being safe. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the album. It's the Don't Mess Up My Tempo album. And should I reveal which card is in it? Ooh, first of all, look at that beautiful CD. Looks like a tachometer is, I think, how they call it. I'm not sure, but yeah. And the beautiful, beautiful photos. Yes, we won't go through all of them. That would take too long. But I will show you the photo with it. There's the big printed poster of Don't Mess Up My Tempo, EXO. Ha, ha. That's beautiful to just put it on the wall next to your bed. And the large postcard size is none other than Dio. I love his acting too. So talented. And the smaller card is, I believe it's Chanyeol. Oink. Yes. This is all going to the winner. So that was the album. Once again. Okay. Next is metal badges from SM Global Shop. I won't go through it, but all the members are there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. And the lanyard and card holder. I will just pop that open. And oh. Very nice material. And the lanyard is a grayish, kind of cool gray with EXO all over it. And right there says EXO as well. You can hook your keys here, you can have your ID here for whatever you need. Okay, now to the innovative shock resistant tech limited edition version 1 of the VR1 EXO light up phone case for iPhone 7 and 8. So if you have the newer versions, I'm sorry, you can give it to your friend. But yes, the EXO sign right there, it lights up. I will show you, but unfortunately, my phone is not 7 or 8, so I can't put it on, but I will still show you how it works. So here's the little metal tap on the bottom. So you gently take that out. And if I put this on top of the charging port, it lights up. Yeah, it's very, very bright. So, I mean, at a concert, it could be like, ah. You don't have to turn on your flashlight. And if you don't want to waste your battery, you can just take the little tap out and it's off. The phone case. And now we have the most interesting thing. Oh, for me, I thought this was most interesting. The Don't Mess Up My Tempo photo card binder. I didn't know this was a thing. So you can put your photo cards in it. Oh, and it comes with 2 photo cards already. I will take this out and show you. There is 2 photo cards already in here. Oh, do you see your bias? Of course you do. But yeah. So you're getting 3 photo cards in this giveaway. It comes with multiple slots for all your photo cards. Cool. That was the Don't Mess Up My Tempo binder from SM Global Shop. Oh, and last but not least, of course, the Don't Mess Up My Tempo t-shirt. It is an X large, so I mean, it's a little on the big side, but I'm sure you can wear it a little baggy at home or on top of whatever you're wearing, and you can always style it to however you want to. But yeah, this looks really comfortable. But yes, once again, let me tell you how to win this, how to win all of this. And I'll also tell you the secret way to have better chances. So, number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. 2, follow my Instagram. All my social media is in the description, so you can just follow everything. But follow my Instagram and I will have a post about this giveaway. So, tag your friend. And the 3rd way is follow my Twitter account and I will have a tweet about this giveaway. Just retweet the tweet and the secret way to win more is, so I know exactly when you guys comment, and it kind of shows if you watch my videos or not, because you know, if you comment a video at 3 and if you comment on the next video at 3:01, that means you didn't watch the video. See, I know if you saw the video or not. So the secret way to win more is just watch my other videos and just leave me a comment. Simple, right? So every comment of the video you watched is going to be another entry. So go ahead and watch my videos and then just comment whatever you want. But I would appreciate it if you watch the video and comment something about the video. Okay, so that is the EXO giveaway. And like I said in my other giveaways, all the giveaways will end as soon as the quarantine is over in LA. Because right now, the post office is so busy with essential goods and people need water and food and medicine and sanitizers and all those good stuff. And I don't want to clutter the airspace or the ground space with my silly little giveaway. I think it's the right thing to do to hold on to everything until the quarantine is over, and then I can send it out to the winners. Make sense? Perfect. Yeah. So guys, That is it for Free Friday. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I make the best Korean content on YouTube. And comment something nice. And yeah, that is it. I will see you guys tomorrow live for Street View Saturday. I have no idea what I'm going to do tomorrow. We actually went to a Korean market last week and saw how a Korean market looks like. Yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Boink.